Continuing coverage on the state legislature budget hearings today, the focus is on education. Our New York Capitol correspondent Elise Klein is breaking down the talking points from lawmakers and has more on the priorities for education, which could be included in the final plan.
Education budget proposals. There are several areas that lawmakers can prioritize funding. And right now in these budget hearings, juggling those priorities seems to be the biggest challenge. Lawmakers highlight mental health and pre-kindergarten programs as important elements for the legislature to examine. Senator Tom O'Mara says the need for mental health services seems to be increased every year. Governor Hochul's state executive budget proposes $2.7 billion for foundation aid, the state's main operating education formula. Hochul also proposes $125 million in pre-kindergarten programs, which would bring the state's annual support of pre-K programs to $1.2 billion. But some witnesses who testified today say the current funding system for pre-K programs in New York is overly complex. And lawmakers have several weeks of budget hearings left, but one House budget resolutions are on the horizon from the Senate and the Assembly. And the final budget plan is due April 1st. For WNY News, I'm Elise Klein.